Okay, so welcome to Stairplan. So if you're looking for a cut string staircase, you can see we've got a few cut strings going through the workshop here. Traditional cut string with a mitered riser to the string, return nosings, all your pre-drillings ready for the balusters, fully assembled, dry fitted, ready for taking apart, just to make it easy for the fitter. Pine and oak. This one's the Kensington stair. We've got the brackets just loose, ready for fixing here. All mitered. Again, the return nosings. No visible fixings. It's all tongued and glued on, ready. The winder fully dry fitted, just to make sure everything's nice and easy for the fitters on site. Thank you.